Hey traders, today is Wednesday evening, May the 18th. We just had a bloodbath in the marketplace, and I want to talk about one of my favorite trades after a day like today called the Coiled Spring Trade. So what is it? The Coiled Spring Trade. It's one of my favorite high probability trades. It's on a day that we have big movement like we had today. And the idea simply is, if you think about a spring, if you were to compress that spring in your hands, there's a lot of latent energy. There's a lot of pent up energy in that spring. And of course, if you were to let that spring go, that energy would be released, right? So that's kind of what happens today in a market like today. When you have lots of volatility, when you have big moves, you have opportunity that comes with that move. Whether you're a credit or a debit trader, all we're really looking for as traders is movement, right? We want movement. And with big movement, like we had today, can potentially come big opportunities. And so what are we talking about with this coiled spring trade setup? Well, if we look at the market today, obviously it was just a slaughter fest. The NASDAQ down almost 5% in one day. That's a pretty big move. S&P down almost 73 points at its worst point of the day. It's a big move in terms of what the S&P usually does. Absolutely just a day that pretty much every single stock on the stock exchanges got taken out to the woodshed and beaten up pretty hard. So when you have a day like this, and it can work in the inverse too. It can work when we have an explosive move to the upside. Today's just happened to be to the downside. But when you have a day like this and you see just this sea of red, one of the first things that I do at the close is I pull up a heat map for the day and I try to see where the activity is that might be counter to the general trend. So obviously today was a huge down day. So I'm going to look for the green, and there was not a lot of green today on the charts. TJX was really the only stock that really stood out to me as having a solid day. So the idea with a coiled spring trade is, look, if TJX can have an up day, it can have a solid day, it can end in the green, on a day like today, what might it do tomorrow or the next day if, heaven forbid, the market can actually stabilize, let alone get maybe some footing underneath it and bounce back, right? So there's just a lot of kinetic energy. There's a lot of buildup energy inside of TJX. And you can see, obviously, the price action there today. Big gap up. Now, it was a red candle, so it did actually finish at the low point of the day, but it was still up pretty substantially today as the market started to trade. So this is a stock that is on the top of my watch list for tomorrow, Thursday. I want to see if TJX can continue this momentum or if it's going to be a regression to the mean trade where it starts to come back and refill this gap. But either way, I am banking on a very high probability that tomorrow, Thursday, we have some action. We have some movement in TJX. So this is a way to find trades. I know traders are always looking to say, hey, I know strategies. I understand how to trade. I just want to find good trade setups. Coiled spring trade is one of my favorite ones. And again, it's pretty much going to be on the top of my watch list for tomorrow, Thursday. We're either going to get a very nice, I believe, continuation of this move up, or you're going to get a regression to the mean. You're going to fill that gap and it's going to come back down. But either way, that's probably a 4-point swing potential move in TJX. That's enough to make a pretty good chunk of change of an options trade on that. So just an idea for you guys to work on your trades for Thursday tomorrow. Good luck. Hope you had a good day today. We had a great day in our 0DTE room. I'm going to be putting up a video here just in a minute of what our day looked like. But hope your trades were good today. We'll see you guys later.